Morning, this is Phil Cross, Heyward out Toyota. Here's the 2016 Highlander XLE that I sold you, and I also took it back in on trade, and the customer did get another Highlander, this time with different configuration as far as the bench seat in the second row. This has 47,000 miles. It's a Toyota certified, no accidents vehicle. It's gone through the 160-point inspection. Nautical Blue XLE, halogen headlights, LED daytime running lights. You're going to have fog lights, roof rails, tinted windows, keyless entry, push button start, power driver's seat, 10-way adjustable, de-icing for the windshield, which will actually heat the windshield up for 15 minutes, the bottom, so that the ice doesn't form. You've got your Bluetooth capabilities right here, where you can work your phone right from the steering wheel. Backup camera, integrated navigation, heated front seats, large storage container here. Power moonroof with tilt, garage door openers, just so many features on this vehicle. Again, it's got the second row captain seats, and you can also, easy to get to the third row by just pulling on this lever here, providing you don't have keys in your hands. And then you can also put the seats up, recline your headrests. Second row, you'll have your drink holders that come up. Also, you can control the heating and cooling from the monitor here, and then you've got vents and lighting each row. Power lift gate. You've also got the glasses you can open up. This is Phil Cross, Heyward out Toyota.